Create an inner dart using Dart Inside piece. Start the macro. In the first step, you can set the orientation and different options regarding the length and depth of your dart. Additionally, the shape of the dart can be modified to appear rounded. Advanced options include whether or not grading should be affected and multiple settings for the dart definition. These settings can also be found in the dart functionality in CAD. Confirm the settings with OK. Once confirmed, the center point for the dart needs to be selected as a starting position. In the next step, the grading can be modified by either selecting a data point with the corresponding grade rule or by entering the grade rule directly. The grade rule will be transferred onto the dart elements.